All right, guys, the P&J Christmas, not PB&J, the P&J Christmas collection for the aroma diffusers. You might use them another way. I use them for the aroma diffuser. I got cinnamon rocking in there now. Two things that matter the most to me, all right? Let's just knock this out. First of all is quality. Do the scents smell like the scents, like the cinnamon? Do they smell good, or is it completely artificial and I feel like I'm breathing in something toxic? So far, so good. Every one I've tried, they're all good. They smell exactly how you would want them to smell, very authentic, okay? I mean, it's an oil, but you know what I mean, okay? Number two, the quality as far as, I guess you would say, concentration. Or how much do I have to put in here to get out a good smell, okay? So far, I've noticed with the ones I've tried here, I don't know about any of the other P&Js, but just the Christmas ones, I'm getting a good level of aroma for what I put in, okay? I've had some in years past where I feel like I'm putting in half the bottle and barely getting any aroma out. Very good on the concentration level. So on the two things that matter to me, I gotta say, these are working really good. Now, one word of caution, when you get these, be careful, okay? Someone might have had them before and put this on wrong. When you open this, these bottles are exposed, they'll fall right out, okay? Now, maybe I wasn't paying attention when I got it, I don't know. But I opened it upside down. Thankfully, I was on a counter and they just dropped on the counter. But if you open these up, okay, and it's upside down, they will fall just right out. So that's the only word of caution. It's the only negative. It's just the boxing, okay? Just if somebody had them before you and sent it back and put it on wrong, maybe there's a problem there. But other than that, I personally, I have to vouch for these. I say I like them, and as I run out throughout the holiday season, I will get more.